Citizen for Justice Manipur (Cfjm) has raised concern on violation of citizens' rights and human rights in Manipur. It has also raised concern on excessive use of forces by central security forces and state forces in Manipur. Speaking in a press meet at Jairab Court, which was held in connection with the Tronglao Bay incident and TM Kasom ambush incident, Vice Chairperson of Cfjm, A. Nautuneshwari, asserted that repeated failure of state forces in doing their duties and further deterioration in law and order and governance will compel people to demand for review of merger agreement through Article 143 of Indian Constitution, which allows President of India to seek Supreme Court's judicial advisory on any questions of law or fact of public importance. While criticizing Manipur police for failing to file an FIR on CRPF firing incident in Tronglao Bay, Nautuneshwari said police could have conducted spot inquiry, take confessional statement and inquest report from CRPF personnel who were involved in arbitrary firing towards protesters and could have prosecuted the culprits. This has created various lapses in getting justice for victims. Speaking further, she also demanded action against police personnel for firing live bullets to protesters while asserting that the present unrest is resulted due to failure of security forces in securing the lives and properties of civilians.
CRPF na firing taugiba adugi against the CRPF na accuse oigedaba adugi FIR lokhatpagi pauta de madu lokhalamgane haibasu thajade adugumba mayam ama tawasna police ki asoiba mayam ama lei loinana asugumagi moment changchilakpa kanda Imphal da Sagon banda Uripok da Singjamai da jaga punamak tiargia sel private hospital amada madugi manungda mekhu changdana khotana problem oibigi thengnagare adudana chana yamna mong ta da ba hakchang da injury ohanba yaba pot ama chu lehele masigi damukta su sarkarna kaligmanta lokhatpa leite aduna sumaina tawriba mayam sida aikhoigi demand di public interest ta angang ani hatkiba aduga hojikti yamchale okulgi ni ani ma hatkiba act of terrorism tawreraga masakhangdaba kuki ni chingnaba terrorist singna tawgiba thabak chingche masi mapam khudengmakta military operation military crackdown tawreraga act of terrorism chathari bise masi zero tolerance ta masi pangthok piu.
Cfjm Khaidem Mani demanded military crackdown on terrorists in Manipur and to ensure safety of civilians in the state. He also demanded judicial inquiry in death cases involving firing by security forces to civilian protesters. Speaking further, Khaidem Mani asserted that people are demanding their rights bestowed under Constitution.
Victim angang ani dadi akhoi Manipur sarkar na magi paisa pirani na tare aduga hojiki victim ahum sida su sapmana ba madugi victim compensation scheme gi makhada phangadabani madu Manipur sarkar na magi heta separate phukhaudigi home ministry gi phukhaudigi puthoraga pige do nate adudi victim compensation scheme mena leiriba do adugi matungin siri ba ahum sida phangpham thokoni 10 lakhs madudai duda FIR sandraba makhoi sing ase phangbugi makhoi da possibility se yamna lapna lei karigino na haibadi me thar digi tholei ba 2023 se mase tholei irang sida akhoi gi valley gi oiba mite masa singi missing person sing sire di khangaga akhoi na dead body di phangriba sing se hojik su still compensation phangri ma makhoi gi right su sathi na mapirabane ba adugumba si mayam sing ase akhoi gi parliba sarkar asina assembly da makputhoktraga su cabinet decision am lobiraga sigraba missing person sing ase aduga police na su missing dead body death certificate su issue tawba ngamdabanina masigi damakta akhoina ordinance ama jari biyo na haibasu akhoina mamangda taya su haijagrabani ado still hauji phawdo mado karimak to bide madugi matang su